Sometimes you don't just outgrow a season. You outgrow the entire timeline, the whole storyline, the whole cinematic universe. Suddenly everything in your life starts feeling cramped, uncomfortably, comically cramped. Like your life is that pair of jeans you swear still fits. But the jeans is like, nah, let's be honest. Your job feels cramped. Your routines feel cramped. Your relationships feel cramped. Even your favorite mug is looking at you like, babes, you've evolved past me. It's like your soul is trying to upgrade to iOS 27, but your life is still buffering on iOS 9 with 3% battery and no charger in sight. And that's when your spirit whispers, sweetheart, it's time. Reset everything. Welcome to Pixel Reflections. I'm Olajumoke, and today's episode is called The Global Reset. And trust me, you're going to want to stay till the end of this one. There's a moment, and you know the moment, when everything in your life suddenly feels like it's shrinking around you. Your job starts feeling like a shoe 2 sizes too small. Your relationships feel like group chats you spiritually exited. Your routines feel like expired subscriptions. Your habits feel like hand-me-downs from a version of you that no longer exists. And the funniest part, you try to pretend nothing is happening. You try to push through. You try to be grateful. You try to make it work. But your spirit is standing in the doorway with its arms folded like, no ma'am, you're done here. Pack your things. Now, before we go any further, let's pause. Because some of you are listening like, okay, but what exactly is a global reset? Is it spiritual? Is it emotional? Is it a software update? Is it a midlife crisis? Is it vibes? Let me break it down. A global reset is when your entire life, your identity, your pace, your boundaries, your relationships, your ambitions all quietly tap you on the shoulder at the same time and say, hi, this version of us has expired. It's not a breakdown. It's not chaos. It's not you being dramatic. It's not you being behind. It's your soul saying, we need new settings everywhere. A global reset is a full life realignment, an identity refresh, a nervous system recalibration, a spiritual software update, a this is not me anymore moment. A let's rebuild from truth moment. It's when your life starts feeling too small for who you're becoming and you can't pretend it fits anymore. It's uncomfortable. Yes. It's inconvenient. Absolutely. It's emotional. Deeply. But it's also the most honest, liberating thing you can do. Because the old version of you, she's tired. She's done her job. She's carried you through a whole era, but she's ready to retire with benefits, a pension, and a farewell speech. And honestly, she deserves cake. Here's the truth. A global reset isn't chaos. It's clarity. It's the moment you realize I'm not behind. I'm not confused. I'm not failing. I'm evolving. Evolution is messy. It's uncomfortable. It's inconvenient. It's expensive, it's spiritual, it's everything, everywhere, all at once. But it's also the most honest thing you can do for yourself. A global reset doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's subtle, sometimes it's a whisper, sometimes it looks like shutting down, sometimes it looks like saying no, sometimes it looks like saying yes. Sometimes it looks like silence. Sometimes it looks like rest. Sometimes it looks like deleting everything and starting again. And sometimes it looks like sitting on your bed, staring at the wall, whispering to yourself, God, please reboot me. A global reset is not about burning your life down. It's about realigning your life with who you're becoming. It's about choosing the pace that honors your nervous system, choosing the boundaries that honor your energy, choosing the identity that honors your truth. Because let's be honest, sometimes the reset chooses you. You wake up one morning and your spirit says, we're done. I don't know how to explain it to you, but we're done. And you're like, with what? And your spirit says, yes, just yes. All of it, everything, reset. So, if you're listening to this and thinking, oh no, she's talking about me, I am. This is your sign, your permission slip, your gentle nudge, your loud whisper. You're allowed to begin again globally, not just in one area, not just in one season, not just in one identity, everywhere. If this episode meets you where you are, share it with someone who's navigating their own reset, because we don't do global resets alone. We do it in community. And if you want to take this work deeper, there's a companion PDF that goes with this episode. A gentle guide to help you map out your own global reset with clarity, honesty, and a pace that honors your nervous system. And for those of you who are ready for a more structured restart, the P2P Restart Kit is waiting for you. It's the toolkit I created for people who are done performing old identities and ready to rebuild from truth, practically, intentionally, and sustainably. Follow Pixel Reflections wherever you listen to podcasts. New episodes every week, new clarity every time. Until next time, begin again globally.